मैं नाजिम बेग अपने चैनल में सभी दर्शकों का स्वागत करता हूं। आप देख रहे हैं आपका अपना चैनल बिग न्यूज 7। मेरे साथ निरंतर बने रहिए क्योंकि मैं आज आपको सेंट जोसेफ में लेकर आया हूं, जहां पर एग्जीबिशन की है 6 और 7, 8 क्लास के बच्चों ने। तो मेरे साथ चलिए, मैं दिखाता हूं आपको किस तरीके से सुंदर सुंदर बच्चों ने मॉडल्स बनाए, किस तरीके से वो एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं सारे मॉडल्स को लेकर। चलिए मेरे साथ, अब मैं आपको एग्जीबिशन की ओर लेके चलता हूँ। आज सर, आज क्या एग्जीबिशन हुई और कौन कौन सी क्लास में भाग लिया और क्या बेस्ट रहा एग्जीबिशन?
So today our exhibition was from 6 to 8 class and it was a science and arts exhibition. हमारे यहाँ पे बच्चों ने 6 क्लास है, 8 क्लास तक के कई बच्चों ने साइंस के, आर्ट्स के, क्राफ्ट के, SUPW और मॉल साइंस के अलग अलग तरह के प्रोजेक्ट बनाए। जैसे वॉल्केनो का था और आपके वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन का था और कंडेंसेशन का था और आपके क्या नाम है जैसे सोलार सिस्टम मतलब उन्होंने अपने तरीके से अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट पे अलग अलग टॉपिक्स पे उन्होंने प्रोजेक्ट बनाए।
अच्छा, मैं कहूँगी इतने सारे एग्जीबिशन में बेस्ट कौन सा रहा, तो कैसे समझ?
हम इस तरीके से नहीं बोल सकते बच्चों ने मेहनत करी है, सभी का बेस्ट है क्योंकि उनका अपना अलग लेवल है। 6 क्लास के बच्चों ने अपने हिसाब से अच्छा करा है, 7 ने अपने हिसाब से अच्छा करा, 8th वालों ने 8th क्लास के हिसाब से अच्छा करा, सभी ने अपनी तरफ से बेस्ट दिया।
सर का कहना सभी का बेस्ट है, किसी को हम कह नहीं सकते कि किसका बेस्ट नहीं है। और शानदार एग्जीबिशन रही और सभी का क्लास के टीचर को सभी सहयोग किया। Explain करो।
I will prepare this flower papers and plastic bottle, glue and some mirrors and less. The solar system is a gravitationally bound system. The solar system is a gravitationally bound system of the sun and the objects that orbit it. It was formed about 4.6 billion years ago when a dense region of molecular cloud collapsed, forming the sun and the protoplanetary disk. The sun is the largest star in it, and it is the largest star, and the solar system consists of 8 planets. This is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and this is asteroid belt. This is Jupiter, like Neptune, Uranus, and many more. It is made up of comets, satellites, meteors, and asteroids, and many more other small bodies. And the star of the solar system, India.
So good afternoon. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Manoj Joseph Raja of class 7B. Today I am here with my model called unnatural volcanic eruption. A volcanic eruption is formed when the magma inside the Earth's surface rises up. The outer overcovering is known as the volcano, and the hot liquid inside the volcano is known as magma. when the hot liquid magma flows from the volcano, it's known as lava. The outer coating is known as a volcano. And when it falls from here, so the lava is formed. Thank you. Class 7th. Today in this fine morning, I'm going to introduce about my present in this Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, crown of palaces. Also, the Taj is a white marble monument located in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal and one of the Taj Mahal is the historical monument and one of the universally admired masterpiece of the World Heritage. The construction of Taj Mahal began around 1632 and was completed around 1653, plus thousands of artisans and crafts. Thank you. My name is Almira. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Almira and I am from class 6. This is my project. It will work by rotating this arrow in any degree. If it is on a 180 degree, so it will be reflex angle. Reflex angle measures more than a 180 but less than 360 angle. So now if we will make it exactly 360, then it will be complete angle. Then if we will make it like here, so then it will be 100 degree angle. So it will be obtuse angle. Obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Thank you.
जहीराबाद के सेंट जोसेफ स्कूल में एक एग्जीबिशन का आयोजन किया गया
And biology. Sir, I am Arjun Bhardwaj from class 6A. Today, I am excited to talk to you about the most fascinating topic in biology, our sense organs. Our sense organs are the gateways to the perception of the world around us. They allow us to experience life in all its beauty and complexity. There are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, tongue, nose, and skin. Our eyes detect light rays and allow us to see. Our ears detect sound waves and allow us to see. Our tongue allow us to taste. Our nose detects smell. Skin is the most precious and essential part of our body, from which allows us to feel many objects. Thank you.
Chaudhary from 6th B class. Today I am here to express my views on topic of food chain. What is a food chain? A food chain is the feeding relationship between organisms. It is the sequence of organism in which organism eat one another and is eaten by some another. Figure. All food chain is started with producer green plant. The sun is only seen the food chain. Grass eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper eaten by frog, frog eaten by snake, snake eaten by owl, owl eaten by fungi, fungi eaten by deer, deer eaten by lion. Thank you.
Order of pollination. The flower is a part of the plant that bring about reproduction by the sexual means. In order to bring about fertilization, is the most important step is to bring two gametes together. This is brought about by a process. This is called pollination. There are 2 kinds of pollination: self-pollination, cross-pollination. Self-pollination, the process of transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma or same and another flower is called self-pollination. Cross-pollination, the process of transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of same and another flower is called cross-pollination. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I made this project on the topic nuclear power plant. Then how it is worked, let me show you. I have combined 2 DC motors in which we have combined the turbine blades. That same wire we have connected with the wires and with the rechargeable battery also. So that we have connected the same wire with the LED light so that electricity should produce. And the main use of this project is that it indicates the two process light and energy for the turbine, for the power of turbine. Thank you.
Today I will talk you about the fascinating structure of skin that part of the body. Fascinating structure of skin that protective layer against Water based a major function in our day-to-day life cycle. It is time to like our 40% of water is all
ठीक ठीक
Good afternoon to all. My name is Vansano. I am from class 7C. Today I have made the project My Dog Working Model. First I will tell how I made. I used the two pieces of thermocol, one cardboard, some artificial trees and plants, blue chart paper, etc. Then install the benefits of health life by provide to us clean water. By supplying irrigations.
One and all, my name is Kunjal Chaudhary from class 7B. My project name is Hydroelectric Power Plant. My concept is to show that how electricity is formed from water. It is called hydroelectricity. The energy is generated by harnessing the gravitational force of water. The first thing which is needed is an elevated dam to flow the water. When rushing water moves to the fan stop, it will strike the turbine blades. Then this turbine is then linked to a generator. Generator in the powerhouse creates energy and it gives energy to our houses. Thank you.